Maar ek sien jy het bietjie daar, jy wil. Mooi.
Ek druk myself. Maar Jesus.
Wat?
Hey, lang nog so gery.
Huh?
Lang nog so gery.
Ek check jy van my agterbreek. Ah! En dan sy om die draai. Wap! Ah!
Die klip is fucking lekker. Heerder. Dis net
Eitja.
dis net
Dis in jou helmet.
Yes, it's a little bit slippery, eh?
Ja.
Bietjie.
Yeah, you put your front brakes on, all of a sudden,
Ek het 'n pap wiel. Got a flat front.
Serious?
Ek het kan ek sê.
Hier's on jou sak. Dat ek gaan gebruik.
don't you have nooses or?
I got tubeless. I can still ride like that.
Oh, yeah.
It's not a problem. That's why I like the tubeless. If something goes wrong, you can still ride.
Fuck it.
How are you finding it, Dave?
Lekker. It's got,
Works you, eh?
yeah, no, it works you. And I'm fucking unfit. So the fact that I've still got my breathing at a reasonable level, I'm surprised. Yeah, so
Los.
Het jy die wat geflash?
hey, raai wat? Ons het nou eers 6.7 kilos gedoen.
Yeah, you feel?
6.7.
Jomie.
What do you need?
Alright, there's a thing that goes on to
Ek
it
dink Franna het hom.
that you turn
Fok
on.
Franna.
Bloem. Fuck op dit.
You just got to watch the rocks, you don't hit one too hard. Ding your rim.
No, it's got a inside. It's got like a red hard thing.
Okay.
Basically locks the bead.
Yeah.
Martin, it's like
Clear
that.
the rock.
It's like that system that you wanted to put in. Remember?
It's quite lekker, but oh well, let's try.
Ja, ons het 'n hele fucking dag spandeer by just een of ander bikeplek daar in
Accessories.
Accessory, ja.
So ja.
'n Hele dag. Hulle kon nie daai tubeless system daar insit nie.
What?
Don't ask. Then they couldn't get it to seal, and then I'm going, but it's a tube that bolts onto the rim. It locks itself onto the rim.
Yeah.
How can it take so long? Then they try to convince me, no, moose is better than tubeless. I said, just put the tubeless. This is after 2 hours. Eventually I said to them, okay, just put me a moose. Because I can't wait to do that.
Fuck man. Oh well.
Praat ons van 'n garage.
Ry maar. Kyk, hy word fyn te wees. Gaan net nie vinnig uit. Dis al.
Ry net op die agterwiel.
Ja.
Hey.
Bly net op die agterwiel. Dis maklik met hierdie lekker 350s, hè.
Yeah, I fucking een kak. You went through it and it fucking whiplashed on me. Bam! Like,
Kakkie, was nie so naby aan hom nie.
nie was in die bekom gewees.
Maar dis Fokkel, hy het 'n hele boom uitgehaal.
Wie?
Hy.
O ja, weet jy vroeg manne.
So gou eers deur die wiel uittrek.
Dis die, wat fuck